getting ready to try out this little project. It's going to be a in the hoop bag, and I did design the bag and the background quilting for this bag, but the cow is not mine. It is from Embroidery Legacy, and it's a John Deere design, and that's what it looks like. This is the small one, and I just bought this the other day, and I think it's really cute, so I'm going to try it on a bag. And so this one has a whole lot of color changes, and I think it's probably going to take me at least an hour and a half to finish this. It says 90 minutes, 94 minutes, but you know, you have to factor in the time that it takes to do all the steps. So here's my fabric I got for this. This is going to be the front of the bag. And then I have some cork by Sally Tomato for the back. And this is the lining. And I did interface the lining with SF101. And I interfaced the front. And then I have some batting. And the reason I did that is because I didn't want the bag to be too floppy. And this cork is very flexible. It doesn't really have a lot of body. It's very pretty, but that's about it. I'm going to put the little clasp on the top so I can hang it on a belt loop. If it turns out really good, we'll see. And I have not tried out this quilting design. I did this motif, I don't know, a few days ago, last week maybe. I don't know when, but I have not tried it out. So I'm hoping it works out. And that's what the motif looks like. Actually, I took a class in Photoshop to create that design. And then I thought it would be really kind of cool as a motif in quilting for, you know, embroidery, not quilting on my long arm. So anyway, so I turned it into an embroidery design, and I'm kind of anxious to see how it turns out. So I'm going to get started with this project. Wasn't real sure how the quilting was going to turn out. Actually looks pretty good. The motifs stitched out like it was supposed to. So yeah, it's almost done. And then we'll start with the cow. So here's how my bag turned out, and I think it looks really pretty. It took forever to quilt this, or not to quilt it, but to do the embroidery. I think the fill looks really pretty, the quilting fill, and the back looks really pretty with this stuff, this cork on it. I hate doing cork on my sewing machine. It doesn't like it. I did break a needle, and that wasn't fun. And I put the little tabs on the top so I can put it on my belt loop. And I think it looks beautiful. I don't know. Do I like the center medallion? I'm not sure. Let me know what you think.